Manufacturing is the production of things to serve people. Although manufacturing may refer to anything from handmade items to the end results of high-tech processes, it generally refers to transforming raw materials into products on a large scale. The digital revolution, which began in the mid-20th century, continues to have a profound impact on all aspects of human society. Its impact is no less profound on manufacturing and is represented by the shift from mechanical to digital technology. We are still in the midst of this unfolding and expanding manufacturing and digital revolution. Increasing production efficiencies are well established. The current manufacturing and digital revolution is to humanity what the invention of the wheel was to ancient mankind. Ultimately, this revolution will result in more people who have more of their product needs fulfilled, so they can focus on what's important to you.